guys, welcome to my channel. This video was not pre-planned, but I would like to share the progress with you since it is my first time making it. What I did differently and the result later on. First of all, this is a crop top pattern by Kelsie. I'll link her YouTube video down below. I made an XL size with this 4-ply Nona acrylic yarn and a 5mm hook. So this is how it looks. It's not very tight. You can see the holes. It's a bit stretchy. Yours may be different depending on the tension when you crochet, but this is how mine looks so far. I've made it with the straps according to Kelsie's pattern, but after trying on, I decided that it was too complex for me, so I extended the sides. I tried a few kinds of patterns, but I decided to go with this empty square feel. I'll show you how I made it with the other side. I haven't finished the other side. And if you want to see the end product, then you just skip to the end product. But I'll show you how I did my sides. Although the pattern I used a 5mm crochet hook, but for the sides I changed it into a smaller one. I wanted it to be quick, so I used half double crochets so that it's taller, but it's not as rigid as or as hard as the single crochet. This is the number of rows I wrote down so that I can finish the other side, but you can adjust as you see fit. So for me, I start with here. I started with the first row with single crochets by the sides, so there will be 12 single crochets. Stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So for the row with the square, I did it like this. I chain 2, 1, 2, turn the work, and then I skip the first one. So this is the 2 chain that I made. Then I skip the first one. I go into the second one. 1, 2. And then I chain 1, skip 1. Chain 1, skip 1. It's okay if you end up differently. You can just put 2 at the end to fill up the number of stitches. I keep getting confused by the number of stitches myself too. For the row after the squares, you chain 2. I chain 2 because I think my stitches are very tight. So go in the first one here. You can see. You can either decide to put it into the loop or put it under the stitch. It's slightly different. Let me show you. Here, and then go in here. This stitch will go down, and then there will be a small gap here, like that. So I prefer to put it into the stitches, not into the loops. So the stitch would be this one. It's not much of a difference, it's just what you prefer. See, it looks more consistent. I'll skip through to the decrease. From these 12 stitches, you will decrease into 11, then it decreases into 10, then decrease into 9, and 9 is the last row. And remember to end your last row with the holes. You'll be doing one row of full and one row of the squares, and then the last row will be squares, so that you can put in the straps. I do a decrease on the top side of it. If you're wearing it like this, this is the bottom, so I'll put my decrease on top. So this one remains straight, but it decreases on top. I'm very indecisive for whether should I count the full chain that I chain as one stitch or do not count it. But if I do not count it, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have the last 2 stitches, which I will make a decrease. This is this one. Go in, and then the other one is the full chains that I made inside here. So full stitches, full everything. That was the chain. This is my row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yep. So you see, this one is still straight. I'm decreasing at the top part here. Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell for notification on new videos.